The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specifically prohibit the installation of electrical outlets above fireplaces. However, the International Residential Code, or IRC, requires that electrical outlets be installed at least 12 inches below the top of fireplace openings. This requirement does not apply to fixed cord-connected appliances rated 20 amps or less. There are potential issues to consider when installing an outlet above a fireplace. Firstly, fireplaces can generate significant heat, which can damage electrical outlets and wiring. Secondly, fireplaces can also produce smoke and fumes that can corrode electrical components. Thirdly, depending on the local jurisdiction, the installation of an outlet above a fireplace may violate code requirements. Here are some best practices to follow if an outlet is installed above a fireplace. Firstly, use heat-resistant outlets. If an outlet is installed above a fireplace, it should be rated for high temperatures. Secondly, use a cord-connected television. If possible, use a flat-screen television that is cord-connected to an outlet below the fireplace. Thirdly, avoid direct heat. Position the outlet as far away from the fireplace as possible to minimize the risk of heat damage. Fourthly, consider a mantle-mount outlet. Consider installing a mantle-mount outlet that extends the outlet from the wall to a location above the fireplace. This keeps the outlet away from direct heat and smoke. If a customer insists on installing an outlet above the fireplace, it is recommended to firstly, use a heat-resistant outlet. Secondly, consider using a cord-connected television or a mantle-mount outlet. Thirdly, notify the customer of the potential risks and have them sign a waiver releasing you from liability. And fourthly, comply with all local code requirements. When it comes to electrical installations near heat sources like fireplaces, several factors demand careful consideration to ensure safety and code compliance. Let's delve into the intricacies of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and other relevant standards to provide a comprehensive understanding of the subject. The NEC serves as the cornerstone of electrical safety in the United States, offering guidelines and regulations for electrical installations. While the NEC doesn't explicitly forbid placing an outlet above a fireplace, it's crucial to understand that the absence of a specific prohibition doesn't automatically imply approval. Instead, the NEC emphasizes the importance of adhering to general safety principles and best practices. One of the primary concerns when installing an outlet near a fireplace is the potential for elevated temperatures. Fireplaces, whether wood-burning or gas-fueled, can generate substantial heat, which can adversely affect electrical components. Excessive heat could degrade insulation, leading to short circuits, electrical fires, and other hazardous conditions. To mitigate these risks, it's imperative to select electrical outlets and wiring that are specifically rated for high-temperature environments. These heat-resistant components are designed to withstand prolonged exposure to elevated temperatures without compromising their functionality or safety. In addition to heat, fireplaces can also produce smoke, soot, and other combustion byproducts that can corrode electrical contacts and connections. Over time, this corrosion can lead to unreliable performance, equipment failure, and even electrical hazards. To combat corrosion, it's advisable to use corrosion-resistant materials and enclosures for electrical outlets and wiring located near fireplaces. These materials are designed to withstand exposure to corrosive substances, ensuring long-term reliability and safety. Beyond the NEC, other codes and standards may also apply to electrical installations near fireplaces. For example, the International Residential Code, or IRC, which governs residential construction, may have specific requirements regarding the placement of electrical outlets relative to fireplaces. In some jurisdictions, local building codes may impose additional restrictions or requirements. Therefore, it's essential to consult with local authorities and building inspectors to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. In addition to code compliance, it's also crucial to consider the practical implications of installing an outlet above a fireplace. The primary purpose of such an outlet is typically to power a television or other electronic device mounted above the fireplace. However, the heat and smoke generated by the fireplace can pose a significant risk to these devices. Excessive heat can damage sensitive electronic components, leading to premature failure and costly repairs. Similarly, smoke and soot can accumulate on the device, impairing its performance and appearance. To minimize these risks, it's advisable to take precautions to protect electronic devices from heat and smoke. This may involve installing a heat shield or barrier between the fireplace and the device, or using a man-to-mount outlet to position the outlet further away from the fireplace. Furthermore, it's essential to educate the customer about the potential risks associated with installing an outlet above a fireplace. Inform the customer about the dangers of heat, smoke, and code violations, and advise them on the best practices for mitigating these risks. It's also advisable to have the customer sign a waiver acknowledging their understanding of the risks and releasing you from liability in the event of any problems. In summary, while the NEC doesn't explicitly prohibit placing an outlet above a fireplace, it's crucial to exercise caution and adhere to all applicable codes and standards. Consider the potential risks of heat, smoke, and corrosion, and take appropriate measures to mitigate these risks. Educate the customer about the potential hazards, and obtain a signed waiver to protect yourself from liability. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and code-compliant electrical installation that meets the customer's needs while minimizing the risks of fire, shock, and equipment failure. Remember to prioritize safety above all else and consult with qualified professionals whenever necessary. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. The location of the outlet is also important. It should be placed as far away from the heat source as possible. A good option is to install a man-to-mount outlet, which extends the outlet from the wall to a location above the fireplace. This keeps the outlet away from direct heat and smoke. It is also important to use a heat-resistant outlet. These outlets are designed to withstand high temperatures. If the customer insists on installing an outlet above the fireplace, it is important to have them sign a waiver releasing you from liability. This waiver should state that the customer understands the risks involved and that they are responsible for any damage that may occur. Finally, it is important to comply with all local code requirements. This may include obtaining a permit for the work. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that the outlet is installed safely and correctly. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the outlet is installed in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. An electrician can also help you choose the right type of outlet and wiring for the application. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take precautions to protect yourself from shock. Also, consider the type of fireplace. A gas fireplace will produce less heat than a wood-burning fireplace. This means that you may be able to install an outlet closer to a gas fireplace than you could to a wood-burning fireplace. The size of the fireplace is also a factor. A larger fireplace will produce more heat than a smaller fireplace. This means that you may need to install the outlet further away from a larger fireplace than you would from a smaller fireplace. The type of material used to build the fireplace is also a factor. Some materials, such as stone, will absorb more heat than other materials, such as brick. This means that you may need to install the outlet further away from a fireplace made of stone than you would from a fireplace made of brick. The amount of ventilation in the room is also a factor. A room with good ventilation will be cooler than a room with poor ventilation. This means that you may be able to install the outlet closer to the fireplace in a room with good ventilation than you could in a room with poor ventilation. The type of television that will be plugged into the outlet is also a factor. Some televisions produce more heat than other televisions. This means that you may need to install the outlet further away from the fireplace if you will be plugging in a television that produces a lot of heat. The viewing angle of the television is also a factor. If the television will be viewed from a wide angle, you may need to install the outlet higher up on the wall. This will help to ensure that the television is not blocked by the fireplace. The aesthetics of the room are also a factor. You will want to choose a location for the outlet that is both safe and aesthetically pleasing. You may need to compromise on one or more of these factors in order to find a location that is both safe and aesthetically pleasing. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest code requirements. You can find the latest version of the NEC on the National Fire Protection Association website. The IRC is also updated every 3 years, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest code requirements. You can find the latest version of the IRC on the International Code Council website. It is important to note that the NEC and IRC are just minimum standards. Local jurisdictions may have more stringent requirements. It is important to check with your local building department to determine the specific requirements in your area. When in doubt, it is always best to err on the side of caution. If you are not sure whether or not an outlet is safe to install above a fireplace, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can assess the situation and advise you on the best course of action. By following these guidelines, you can help to ensure that the outlet is installed safely and correctly. This will help to protect your home and family from fire and electrical hazards. Consider the impact of the mantle. A large, projecting mantle can deflect heat away from the wall above, potentially making it safer to install an outlet. However, a small or non-existent mantle offers less protection. Also, think about recessed outlets. If the wall allows, consider recessing the outlet into the wall. This can help to shield it from direct heat and make it less noticeable. Smart TV generate heat themselves. Consider the television's own heat output when assessing the overall thermal load on the outlet and wiring. It is important to use the correct size wiring for the outlet. The wiring should be sized according to the National Electrical Code. If the wiring is too small, it can overheat and cause a fire. It is also important to use the correct type of outlet. The outlet should be rated for the amperage of the appliance that will be plugged into it. If the outlet is not rated for the amperage of the appliance, it can overheat and cause a fire. It is important to install the outlet correctly. The outlet should be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. If the outlet is not installed correctly, it can be dangerous and cause a fire. Be aware of the potential for future changes. Consider whether the customer might switch to a larger television or a different type of fireplace in the future. Plan accordingly to avoid having to relocate the outlet later.